Mercedes-Benz. The name itself evokes a sense of prestige, performance, and luxury. For over a century, this German automotive giant has been synonymous with automotive excellence. From its humble beginnings to its current status as a global icon, Mercedes-Benz has consistently pushed the boundaries of what's possible in the automotive world. The brand's iconic three-pointed star emblem is recognized worldwide as a symbol of engineering prowess, cutting-edge technology, and timeless design. Mercedes-Benz vehicles are more than just cars, they are statements of success, ambition, and refined taste. Whether it's a sleek sports car, a luxurious sedan, or a powerful SUV, every Mercedes-Benz exudes an aura of sophistication and exclusivity. This essay will delve into the fascinating world of Mercedes-Benz. We will explore its rich history, key features, notable models, and commitment to sustainability. Join me as we take a closer look at what makes Mercedes-Benz the pinnacle of luxury and innovation. The story of Mercedes-Benz is a testament to German engineering and innovation. It all began in the late 19th century with two pioneers, Karl Benz and Gottlieb Daimler. In 1886, Karl Benz patented the world's first practical automobile, the Benz Patent Motorwagen. Around the same time, Gottlieb Daimler and his partner, Wilhelm Maybach, were developing their own high-speed internal combustion engine. These two separate entities, Benz and C and Daimler Motoren Gesellschaft, would eventually merge in 1926 to form Daimler-Benz AG, the company we know today as Mercedes-Benz. The name Mercedes has an interesting origin. It was the name of Emil Jelinek's daughter, an Austrian businessman who was an early enthusiast of Daimler's automobiles. Jelinek believed in the racing potential of Daimler's cars and entered them in competitions under the name Mercedes. The success of these cars, coupled with the elegant ring of the name Mercedes, led to its adoption as the brand name for the merged company in 1926. From its early racing victories to its groundbreaking technological advancements, Mercedes-Benz has consistently set the benchmark for the automotive industry. When you step into a Mercedes-Benz, you're immediately enveloped in a world of luxury. Every detail, from the supple leather seats to the hand-finished wood trim, exudes a sense of quality and craftsmanship. Mercedes-Benz has always been at the forefront of automotive technology. The brand is renowned for its innovative safety features, advanced driver assistance systems, and cutting-edge infotainment options. Whether it's the revolutionary MBUX system with its intuitive voice control or the airmatic suspension that glides over bumps in the road, Mercedes-Benz continuously strives to enhance the driving experience. Performance is another hallmark of the Mercedes-Benz brand. From the refined power delivery of its everyday sedans to the adrenaline-pumping acceleration of its AMG performance models, there's a Mercedes-Benz to satisfy every driving enthusiast. The AMG division, founded in 1967, is dedicated to creating high-performance versions of Mercedes-Benz vehicles. These cars are known for their powerful engines, sport-tuned suspensions, and aggressive styling. The Mercedes-Benz model lineup is as diverse as the drivers who choose them. From compact hatchbacks to stately sedans and capable SUVs, there's a Mercedes-Benz for every taste and need. The C-Class, E-Class, and S-Class sedans represent the core of the Mercedes-Benz brand, offering a perfect blend of luxury, performance, and technology. The C-Class is the entry point into the world of Mercedes-Benz, while the S-Class represents the pinnacle of luxury and sophistication. In recent years, Mercedes-Benz has expanded its SUV offerings to cater to the growing demand for these versatile vehicles. The GLA, GLC, GLE, and GLS SUVs offer a range of sizes and capabilities, from the compact and stylish GLA to the spacious and luxurious GLS. For those seeking the ultimate in performance, Mercedes-Benz offers a wide range of AMG models, including the iconic C63 AMG, the powerful E63 AMG, and the breathtaking AMG GT sports car. Section 5. Driving towards a greener future. Sustainability at Mercedes-Benz. As a global automotive leader, Mercedes-Benz recognizes its responsibility to minimize its environmental impact. The brand is committed to reducing its carbon footprint through a range of sustainability initiatives. Mercedes-Benz is investing heavily in electric vehicle technology, with the goal of offering a fully electric or plug-in hybrid version of every model in its lineup by 2022. The EQ series of electric vehicles represents Mercedes-Benz's vision for a sustainable future. These vehicles combine cutting-edge electric powertrains with luxurious interiors and advanced technology. In addition to its focus on electric vehicles, Mercedes-Benz is also implementing sustainable practices in its production facilities. The company is committed to using renewable energy sources, reducing water consumption, and minimizing waste. Section 6. A global icon, Mercedes-Benz's worldwide presence. Mercedes-Benz is a truly global brand, with a presence in over 100 countries worldwide. The company has production facilities on every continent, ensuring that its vehicles are built to the highest standards of quality and craftsmanship. Mercedes-Benz has a strong presence in major automotive markets such as the United States, China, and Germany. The brand's global reach is a testament to its enduring appeal and its ability to connect with customers from all walks of life. Whether it's the bustling streets of New York City or the scenic autobahns of Germany, Mercedes-Benz vehicles are a familiar sight around the world. The brand's global presence is supported by a vast network of dealerships and service centers, ensuring that Mercedes-Benz owners receive the highest level of care and attention. Section 7. The Mercedes-Benz experience. More than just a car. Owning a Mercedes-Benz is more than just owning a car. It's about experiencing a lifestyle. From the moment you step into a Mercedes-Benz dealership, you're treated to a level of service and attention that is second to none. Mercedes-Benz dealerships are designed to provide a luxurious and welcoming environment where customers can relax and explore the brand's latest offerings. The Mercedes-Benz ownership experience extends beyond the dealership. The brand offers a range of exclusive events and experiences designed to connect with its customers on a personal level. From track days at legendary racing circuits to exclusive culinary events, Mercedes-Benz strives to create unforgettable experiences for its discerning clientele. Section 8. The price of prestige. Considering the costs. Owning a Mercedes-Benz comes with a certain price tag, both literally and figuratively. Mercedes-Benz vehicles are premium products and their prices reflect the high quality of materials, advanced technology, and meticulous craftsmanship that goes into each one. The cost of owning a Mercedes-Benz extends beyond the initial purchase price. Insurance, maintenance, and repairs can be more expensive compared to mass-market brands. However, it's important to note that Mercedes-Benz vehicles are built to last. With proper care and maintenance, a Mercedes-Benz can provide many years of reliable and enjoyable driving. Furthermore, Mercedes-Benz offers a range of financing and leasing options to make its vehicles more accessible to a wider range of buyers. The Section 9 Balancing Act, Tradition and Innovation in Perfect Harmony. Mercedes-Benz has a rich history of innovation, yet it remains deeply rooted in its tradition of quality and craftsmanship. The brand has always been at the forefront of automotive technology, from its early pioneering work on safety features to its current leadership in electric vehicles and autonomous driving. However, Mercedes-Benz never forgets its heritage. The brand's classic design cues, such as the iconic grille and the three-pointed star emblem, are instantly recognizable and evoke a sense of timeless elegance. Mercedes-Benz manages to strike a delicate balance between tradition and innovation, creating vehicles that are both cutting-edge and timeless. This ability to blend the old with the new is what sets Mercedes-Benz apart from its competitors. Section 10. Looking ahead. The future of Mercedes-Benz. The automotive industry is on the cusp of a major transformation, with electric vehicles, autonomous driving, and connected car technology poised to revolutionize the way we drive. Mercedes-Benz is well positioned to lead this transformation. The brand's heavy investment in electric vehicle technology, its expertise in autonomous driving systems, and its commitment to creating a seamless connected car experience are all indicators that Mercedes-Benz is shaping the future of mobility. Mercedes-Benz understands that the future of mobility is not just about technology, it's about creating a holistic and sustainable transportation ecosystem. The brand is exploring new business models such as ride-sharing and mobility services to meet the evolving needs of its customers. Section 11. Conclusion. The enduring allure of the Silver Star. From its humble beginnings in 19th century Germany to its current status as a global automotive icon, Mercedes-Benz has consistently set the standard for luxury, performance, and innovation. The brand's unwavering commitment to quality, craftsmanship, and technological advancement has earned it a loyal following of discerning customers worldwide. Whether it's the timeless elegance of its classic models, the cutting-edge technology of its latest offerings, or the exhilarating performance of its AMG performance cars, Mercedes-Benz continues to capture the hearts and minds of automotive enthusiasts around the world. As the automotive industry enters a new era of unprecedented change and innovation, Mercedes-Benz is well positioned to lead the way, driven by its unwavering commitment to excellence and its passion for creating the ultimate driving experience. The future of Mercedes-Benz is bright, and the three-pointed star will continue to shine as a symbol of automotive excellence for generations to come.